It's a great day for a drive, especially in this 2009 F-150 XLT in blue flame. It has a flint, which is sort of a gray beige color interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, and this is a super cab, so the main doors are open to open up the back doors, and you have a 6.5-foot box. You also have a running board as well as cab steps, which is really handy. Satellite radio, sliding rear window, tonneau cover, and it's got a 5.4-liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4, and it also has a trailer hitch. Really easy to take this vehicle out on a test drive. You can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 5.4-liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with manual lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and there's a running board, making it easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your cruise control. And when we start up the vehicle, we're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and you have an automatic shifter with tow haul, and that'll appear to the top there. Press it again, it'll come off. A little cubby up top, and you're seeing your display screen with AM, FM. As well, you've got a CD player, traction control, hazard lights. And down below, you have the different options for your menu, clock, and so forth. You also have satellite radio, and there's your volume and tuner. And then you have your AC and max AC. There's your fan and cigarette lighter as well, auxiliary line, your 4x4, and integrated trailer brake controller. You also have a nice little cubby down here, and in the center you have an armrest with a couple of cup holders. You can unclip this, there's storage in there, and then lift this up, and there's a handle. You just press it on the side, actually there's a button, and that gives you another seating position. And then you can unclip, there's storage there, and as well you can pull this out, gives you a couple more cup holders. There's also a cubby, a 12-volt, your glove compartment, grab handle on the body, and an auto-dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, not 1, but 2 sunglass holders. 17-inch wheels, mud flaps, chrome and magnetic running board, black door handle, keyless entry keypad, and driver's side capless easy fuel gas filler. If you look underneath, there's a cab step. You just push the button on the outside and the step will come right out. Makes it easy to get into the box. And in the back, you've got the black handle for the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Nice tonneau cover as well. You've got a trailer hitch with a 4 and 7-pin connector. And then we just open it up by pulling the latch. Inside, a nice spray-in liner, tie downs in all 4 corners. And when you're ready, close it up, lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You simply pull the tab, lift the seat up, that gives you more room on the floor, and then it'll come right down. And in the back, you have a sliding window. And up top, there's hooks and dome lighting. Back of the seats are slim pockets to be able to put maps or whatever else you want in there. And as well, a couple of cup holders and a 12-volt. Chrome bumper, 6.5-foot box with tonneau cover, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, adjustable side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.